Hey there! Are you looking for a simple way to earn money online without the hassle of traditional jobs? In this video, discover how you can make money just by receiving SMS messages. We'll reveal the secrets behind this innovative method that anyone can start today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to monetize your time effortlessly. Watch now and start your journey toward financial freedom. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. Meet SMSRicher, a free Android app where you can make money just by receiving SMS messages. That's right, nothing else. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to make extra cash without any investment. Here's how the SMSRicher app functions. After downloading the app from the SMSRicher website, open it and register with your email address. You'll receive a confirmation code in your email. Once you fill out all the required details for registration, you're good to go. Once you complete the registration process, you'll gain access to your account and a welcome reward will be credited to you. Now let's dive into the ways you can earn money on the SMSRicher app. First, receiving SMS. One way to earn is by verifying your phone number. Once verified, the app will send you SMS messages from time to time with a pay rate of 3 cents per message. Second, referral reward. You can earn even more by referring others to join SMSRicher. You'll receive 30% of the amount your referral withdraws. Plus, there's a 30 cents reward for anyone who joins using someone else's referral code or link. And lastly, daily check-in. Simple, right? The only payment method supported by SMSRicher is PayPal, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is €1. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried SMSRicher or any other money-making apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.